Magkano nga ba ang kailangan mong gastusin para maging piloto sa Pilipinas? Tara, alamin natin. Hi mga kalangit, ako nga pala si Nico. I talk about aviation and my pilot journey. Dahil wala pa kami lipad sa Lingayen, kaya dumiretso muna kami sa Baguio. Pero babalik na rin kami Lingayen mamaya kasi may lipad na kami bukas.
Sarap, lapit dito sa Baguio.
So magkano nga ba ang kailangan mong gastusin para maging piloto dito sa Pilipinas? First of all, ang goal mo ay matapos ang private pilot license mo. That's around 40 hours of flight training. Kung mag-i-inquire ka sa mga flying school, ang private pilot course is around 600,000 pesos. Kasama na dyan yung ground school ng PPL at 40 hours flight training. For Cessna 152 nga pala yan. Iba din kasi ang rate kapag 172. Ang next goal mo ay commercial pilot license. That's around 110 hours of Cessna 152 and 172. And that's approximately 1.2 million pesos. Mahaba-haba kasi yan. So kung ito total mo, that's 1.8 million pesos pagkatapos mo ng CPL course. Kaso, kailangan mo pang mag-take ng instrument rating course or flight instructor course. For instrument rating course, that's around 450,000 kasama na ground schooling, flight simulator training, and actual flight training. For flight instructor course, that's around 350 to 400,000 pesos. So kung ito total mo lahat from PPL, CPL, IR, and flight instructor course, ang suma total is around 2.6 million pesos. Pero it depends pa rin sa flying school, kaya much better mag-inquire kayo sa flying school. Habang kami nga pala dito ay dumalaw sa Baguio Tower. By the way, kung interested ka, I created a step-by-step guide how to become pilot in the Philippines. Check in the comment section or bio to know more. Follow for more.